Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a GitHub project into Lovable. First, open the Lovable website in your browser and make sure you already have access to your dashboard. Now, from the left side, click on your project name to open it. Once the project loads, click on the edit option from the top right corner so you can access the project workspace. Next, click on the code icon at the top. These will display all the files inside your project. Select any files to view its content. Then, click on the copy icon if you want to copy the code for backup or manual use. After that, click on the code icon again and select the GitHub icon from the top right corner. This option allows you to connect your GitHub account and import projects. Now, click on Connect GitHub. Then, select Connect Project. This will start the process of linking your GitHub account with Lovable. Next, click on Add Organizations. Enter your GitHub username or email address, then type your password to sign in. Once logged in, go back and enable the toggle next to your GitHub organization name so Lovable gets access to your repositories. After connecting, choose the repository you want to import from GitHub. Lovable will fetch the project files and load them into your workspace. Wait for the import process to complete. Finally, once everything is loaded, review the files inside Lovable to make sure the project has been imported correctly. Now, you can start editing and managing your GitHub project directly from Lovable. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.